Ito, namimili na kami ng mga ihahanda sa party sa September 30. Si Jogi. Ito, giant pusit. Giant pusit, 150 per kilo. Over here is the fish section. And over here is the chicken section. We are going to play somewhere. And here is the meat section. Aljo is putting the meat in the weighing scale. Yeah, okay. Nakabili na. Here, Paning is taking pictures of tuna. Jogi is buying some hipon here. Shrimp, fresh shrimps from the river nearby. The shrimp here is fresh. Now the vegetable section. Here, we used to buy our vegetables every week that we ate in boarding house.